First go to the file and choose open. Select this image, click open. Take the quick selection tool and press select subject. This Photoshop tool automatically selects the subject. Now click on the select and mask option. Click on the refine hair option here. Enable the decontaminate colors. Select the output mode option to new layer with layer mask. Click OK. Let's see the final result.